Hey Selldowners! Welcome to this tutorial on adjusting fonts and styles in Selldone's Page Builder. In this guide, we'll explore how to customize the look of your text, including font family, size, color, and style options. These settings allow you to fine-tune your store's design, creating a cohesive and polished look that reflects your brand. Let's get started. From the Page Builder top menu, go to Page Typography to change the font style. Choose page fonts to change or add new fonts within the Page Builder. Please note that fonts set here apply only to pages designed in the Page Builder, not the entire website. To adjust fonts for shop and product pages, go to Store Settings Theme Typography. Click here to add more fonts. You can change the default font from here as well. Select a font from the list or find one on the Google Fonts website. Enter the exact font name here and click Add Font. Click on the text to reveal the toolbar. Highlight the text, then click here. Select the font family from the options and adjust the font size, weight, style, and other settings in this section as needed. Click here to adjust the text color. To change the color of individual words, select each one separately. You can also adjust the size of each word smoothly by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+1 or Ctrl+2 to increase or decrease the size. And that's it for adjusting fonts and styles in Selldone's Page Builder. With these tools, you can personalize your store's appearance to better engage visitors and convey your brand identity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more design tips. Happy styling!